Hi guys, when I was trying to record one of my live stream, I noticed that I'm not able to add a browser source in my OBS Studio. And now I found the solution, and I would like to share with you with the solution that I found. So let me show you how you can add browser source to OBS Studio. The browser source is missing in the Linux version of OBS Studio by default, so you have to open your browser and then go to this link, this OBS Linux browser, and you have to download latest version. I will put this link in the description of the video, so we can copy this link from the description. Okay, so when download is finished, you have to open the file and then go to your config directory /OBS Studio. Then you have to create directory called plugins, and just copy this folder. Okay, now you have to restart OBS Studio. Okay, and now you have Linux browser source available in your OBS Studio. Let me check. Okay, yeah, it looks like it works. So I hope that I solved your problem, and so you can give me a thumbs up or just share this tutorial with others. So thank you and see ya.